She steps into the crowded light, heart on fire, truth held tight. Every word a rising flame, calling others by their name. She speaks for those who have no sound, lifts her voice above the crowd. Even when the doubts appear, she stands firm and does not fear. She speaks to wake the world again. Carries through the air, pulls the heavy, stirs the scared. She holds